Liaocheng Foster Laser Science and Technology Company Limited, a professional manufacturer dedicated to the research and production of laser equipment, covers an area of over 30,000 square meters. We mainly produce laser engraving machines, laser marking machines, laser cutting machines, laser welding machines, laser cleaning machines, and have over 60 products. Since its establishment in 2015, Foster Laser has always adhered to the customer-centric approach, striving for mutual benefits with customers and upholding the policy of scientific management, high quality, high reputation, and sustainable development. Adhere to the principle of guided by market demand, constantly innovating and striving for excellence, and provide customers with high-quality products and perfect services. By 2023, Foster Laser equipment has been exported to more than 100 countries and regions, including the United States, Brazil, Mexico, Australia, Turkey, and South Korea, winning the trust and support of customers. The company's products have CE, RoHS, and other test certificates, a number of application technology patents, and provides OEM services for many manufacturers. Foster Laser is equipped with a professional research and development team, sales team, and after-sales team, which can provide you with a perfect purchasing and usage experience. The company can customize products, logos, exterior colors, etc., according to demand. Meet your customization needs. For more information about our products and services, please visit our website or contact us directly. Foster Laser, looking forward to your visit.